Welcome, luxury enthusiasts, to a journey through the extravagant world of real estate. Today, we're peeling back the golden curtain and stepping into the realms of opulence, exploring the residences that redefine luxury living. From the historical splendor of Buckingham Palace to the sun-soaked shores of Malibu, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on a virtual tour of the world's most expensive homes. Let's dive in. The realm of luxury real estate is a captivating arena, showcasing architectural opulence and unrivaled grandeur. In this exploration, we delve into the abodes that command astronomical price tags, capturing the essence of exclusivity and extravagance. Buckingham Palace, London, United Kingdom. Undoubtedly, one of the most iconic residences globally, Buckingham Palace stands as a symbol of British royalty. While not officially on the market, experts and enthusiasts alike have attempted to estimate its value. Its worth is challenging to quantify due to its profound historical and cultural significance. Buckingham Palace serves as the official residence of the British monarch, hosting state events and ceremonies that underscore its pivotal role in the nation's heritage. Villa les Cèdres, French Riviera, France. Nestled in the captivating landscape of Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, Villa les Cèdres stands as the epitome of opulent living along the French Riviera. With an estimated value of approximately $410 million in 2017, this exceptional estate encompasses 14 lavish bedrooms, a dazzling ballroom, and meticulously manicured botanical gardens. The allure of Villa les Cèdres is further elevated by its panoramic vistas of the Mediterranean, casting a spell of tranquility and sophistication. Each corner of this residence tells a tale of luxury, from the resplendent interiors to the carefully curated outdoor spaces. In this haven of serenity, the convergence of architectural splendor and natural beauty creates an unparalleled sanctuary, inviting residents to indulge in the pinnacle of refined living on the sun-kissed shores of the French Riviera. The Chartwell Estate, California, USA. Nestled in the distinguished enclave of Bel Air, Los Angeles, the Chartwell Estate stands as a perennial contender among the world's most expensive residences. In a staggering display of opulence, this prestigious estate was listed for an awe-inspiring $245 million in 2018. The property unfolds across the Californian landscape, seamlessly integrating a main residence, a guest house, and expansive gardens that embody the epitome of West Coast luxury living. The Chartwell Estate is not merely a home, it is a testament to regal architecture and meticulous design, creating an ambiance of unparalleled grandeur. With its sprawling grounds and meticulous attention to detail, every facet of this estate harmonizes to redefine the essence of luxury, establishing the Chartwell Estate as an icon of sophistication and exclusivity in the heart of Los Angeles. 4 Fairfield Pond, the Hamptons, USA. Nestled within the exclusive enclave of Sagaponack, New York, 4 Fairfield Pond captured the spotlight with its astounding listing price of $248 million in 2017. This extraordinary estate sprawls across approximately 63 acres of meticulously manicured land, creating a captivating landscape of luxury. The centerpiece is a palatial main house, a testament to opulent living, surrounded by additional residences and lush, verdant landscapes that add to the estate's allure. 4 Fairfield Pond transcends the ordinary, placing itself in a league of its own among the Hamptons' most extravagant properties. Its grandeur and scale redefine the standards of luxury real estate, offering a symphony of architectural brilliance and natural beauty in one of the most coveted and affluent destinations on the East Coast. Ellison Estate, Malibu, California, USA. Larry Ellison, the co-founder of Oracle, is renowned for his affinity for lavish real estate. Among his impressive property portfolio is the Ellison Estate in Malibu, California. While specific details regarding its valuation may not be readily available, the beachfront location and Ellison's penchant for luxury suggest that this residence stands as a testament to opulence along the Pacific coastline. 1 Hyde Park, London, United Kingdom. In the opulent district of Knightsbridge, London, One Hyde Park stands as the quintessence of luxury apartment living. Developed by the esteemed Kanye brothers, the complex has earned a reputation for exclusivity and opulence. Apartments within One Hyde Park have consistently fetched prices in the tens of millions of pounds, drawing a discerning clientele eager to experience the pinnacle of sophistication in the heart of the British capital. Renowned for its lavish amenities and prime location, One Hyde Park encapsulates the essence of high-end living, where discerning residents revel in unparalleled luxury and a lifestyle synonymous with prestige and refinement. The Odeon Tower Penthouse, Monaco, synonymous with wealth and luxury, is home to some of the world's most expensive real estate. The Odeon Tower Penthouse, perched atop a double skyscraper in the Principality, stands as a prime example. Offering panoramic views of the Mediterranean and the glittering city below, this penthouse is a symbol of extravagance, in a location synonymous with the pinnacle of affluence. The world's most expensive homes are not merely structures. They are statements of wealth, taste, and in some cases, cultural significance. From the regal Buckingham Palace to the sun-soaked shores of Malibu, these residences capture the imagination and fascination of individuals worldwide. While the information provided offers a glimpse into the state of luxury real estate, it is essential to acknowledge the ever-evolving nature of the market. New contenders may have emerged, and valuations may have shifted, creating an ever-changing landscape where the pursuit of opulence continues to reach new heights. As real estate continues to redefine the boundaries of luxury living, these homes serve as beacons of the extraordinary, inviting us to marvel at the intersection of architecture, extravagance, and the pursuit of the exceptional. And that concludes our immersive exploration of the world's most expensive homes. If you found yourself enchanted by the regal allure of Buckingham Palace or daydreaming of the sunsets at Villa Les Cedres, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more captivating content. Share your thoughts in the comments. Which residence left you in awe? And is there a property you think we missed? As always, thank you for joining us on this luxurious journey. Stay tuned for more exclusive insights into the world of opulent living.